Friends, we lawyers pass through a process of deep learning. This period is also very long and never ends. A lawyer continuously keeps learning and continues it till the end of his life. Deep learning, as the word itself indicates, that going to the core of a subject, then coming back to the surface. Please note, going to the core of a subject means to know the essence, to know the purpose, and then coming back to the surface means to study and read all the developments starting from the beginning, starting from the core, and the final development up to the present stage. So going to the core and coming back to the surface is the method by which a deep learning is practiced by the advocates. In our profession, daily we come across cases of the clients which involve the same technique. Advantage of this technique is that this deep learning helps a brain to develop, to get matured, meaning thereby the deep learning also continuously trains our brain, and this training continues throughout the life. Training the brain is essential for every lawyer, meaning that a brain is active, adaptive, smart, quick in response, good in memory. So all such smart and powerful brain functions can be performed by a healthy, strong body, because brain requires for its output the words of mouth, the expression of face, the expression to the eyes, the gesture, through the body organs. So therefore, for keeping a brain healthy, a person is required, a young lawyer is required to keep his body fit and healthy. So exercise is important. Every morning, rise as early as possible, walk, jog, listen and watch the birds, touch the leaves, look around, talk with the joggers, enjoy the company, move all the joints of the body by doing regular exercises, even weight exercises, because weight exercises also brings enormous confidence even at any stage. With the advice of the doctors, even senior persons can also continue weight exercises, light weight exercises, provided they don't have any permanent ailments. So, healthy mind needs a healthy body. Then, a mind also requires a cooling practice. So, after physical exercise, after coming back home, sitting in a cool place at your home, mantra chanting, to meditate for 10, 11 or so 15 minutes may be done. This gives immense energy for whole of the day till late in the night. This improves the memory also. Next chapter is that becoming tech savvy, going digital is also important, as important as the focus and attention and dedication towards the profession is. Going digital or becoming tech savvy should not be confused with surfing on the social media. Although social media gives information sometimes, but most of the time it consumes our valuable time for no gain. Next we will discuss what are the benefits of becoming tech savvy for the lawyers and going digital as well, and how does it contribute to train the brain.